you can still go look at the birds or go fishing or spend a day at the beach at Sandy Point in West Haven. But if you're a non-resident, the only difference is, as of now, you're going to have to pay. And the city's put in these kiosks, basically parking kiosks, very similar to the ones that you see in a lot of cities in New Haven. Well, they don't have standalone ones like this. I think Hartford has them, New York City has them, and if you want to park in this lot and you don't have a sticker, you got to pay $1.50 an hour, or $12 a day, I believe it is. Some people don't like it, but a lot of residents who have always paid through taxes and enjoy their free parking with their parking stickers think that non-residents ought to pay. And some of the non-residents who I spoke to said it's already happening everywhere else, and why shouldn't people pay? And they think that $11 or $12 is a pretty good deal to park all day long. The parking regulations are in effect from 6 a.m. until 10:30 at night, and the meters work all those hours at lots all along the shore, here, back at the boat ramp, down at 7 Rock, and all the way out Ocean Avenue. From West Haven, Mark Zaretsky for the New Haven Register.